Welcome to my channel. Today on my channel I will be cooking steak and salad. Come with me guys and let's get cooking. First I'm going to start by chopping up my vegetables. As you can see, I'm chopping up my sweet peppers. Next I will be chopping up my cucumber. As you can see, it's been chopped nicely. In goes my cucumber into the bowl. Next, I will be chopping up my tomatoes. As you can see, it's nicely chopped. In goes my tomatoes into the bowl. Next, I will be chopping up my lettuce. In goes my lettuce into the bowl. Next, I will be chopping up my red onion. It's chopped nicely. In goes my red onion into the bowl. Next, I will be chopping up my wild rocket vegetable. In goes my wild rocket into the bowl. Now it's time for us to season our steak. First, I'm going to start by adding a little bit of salt. As you can see, salt has gone in nicely. In goes black pepper. Now rub it in nicely. Turn it to the other side. Repeat the same process and rub it in nicely. Now it's time to heat up a pan. My pan has heated up nicely. Now it's time to add my olive oil. In goes my olive oil. Allow it to heat up a little bit. Now it's time to add my steak. In goes my steak. Allow it to cook 1 minute on each side and turn it over. Now it's time for me to add my garlic. In goes my garlic. This will help to add a nice aroma to your steak. Now I'm going to add a little bit of butter. Allow the butter to add its own flavor into my steak. Look at how nicely cooked my steak is looking. Trust me, this steak is yummy. You can enjoy this beautiful steak and salad with any drink of your choice. Now my steak is ready to serve. I'm going to start by cutting them into slices. Look at that. You can see my steak is medium cooked. Looking really nice, pink on the inside. Trust me, this is delicious. Now it's time for me to serve my steak with my delicious salad. First, I'm going to start by adding my dressing into my salad. You can use any dressing of your choice. Look at that. A little drop of dressing into my salad and mix. Now it's time to serve my delicious steak. Look at that. This is delicious, inviting steak served with salad. What are you waiting for? Have you already subscribed to my channel? If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, go to the right side of your phone and press subscribe. Also, turn on the notification button so whenever I post my video, you will be notified. And also do not forget to like and share. Thanks for watching and bye bye. Ciao.